What's up guys, it's me again, Joshua C from TechNav, and today I'm gonna unbox the OPPO's all-new mid-ranger, the OPPO Reno 3 Pro. So, does it still have its own unique personalities like its predecessors? Let's check it out. First off, let's see what we have inside the box. We got the SIM pin 2, booklets, silicone back cover, USB-C cable, earphones, and the 30-watt flash charge 4.0 charging adapter. Now, let's check out the design of the phone. The OPPO Reno 3 Pro has a glossy polycarbonate finish on the back with a nice shiny gradient that shines through the bottom left corner of the phone, which makes the whole device stand out. It comes in 3 color variants: Midnight Black, Sky White, and the one we have here is the Aurora Blue version. One thing for sure, OPPO have taken away the O dot on the previous Reno 2 that's supposedly protecting the camera from scratches, as it now has a camera bump on the rear instead. On the bottom, it has a USB-C port, speaker grill, 3.5mm audio jack, dual SIM slot tray, volume rocker, and a power button on the side. On the front, it has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display with 1080x2400p. Although it doesn't come with any high refresh rates, but it can go up to 800 nits in its auto brightness mode, so you don't have to worry you can't see the display under a bright sun. As the pew-shaped punch hole front camera is somewhat distracting when you're watching movies and enjoying the rich and loud Dolby Atmos audio. In terms of cameras, the huge quad camera bump on the rear sports a 64MP main camera, 13MP telephoto lens, 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, and a 2MP black and white portrait lens. Pictures taken from the cameras are quite good with nice details and great dynamic range. But if that's not enough for you, OPPO Reno 3 Pro can also combine the digital pixels, allowing you to shoot up to 108MP shots in Pro mode. Just simply head to the Pro mode and turn on the Ultra HD. So how does it work? It uses a technology called sub-pixel interpolation that combines multiple high-resolution pictures of the same scene to create one picture with more pixels and information. Now, coming back to the front, it sports the world's first 44MP pew-shaped punch hole dual camera with a 2MP secondary depth sensor. With the 44MP snapper on the front, you can expect a pretty good selfie with fine details of your skin. The added night mode selfie will definitely amaze you when you're taking a selfie in a dark room. So with that, you don't have to worry about any noisy selfies at night or in low light anymore. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio P95 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The 4025mAh battery supports 30-watt flash charge 4.0, so you can now charge up to 50% in just 20 minutes, and it can last for a full day of usage. Running on the ColorOS 7 and Android 10, it comes with a few nice features such as the side shortcut bar for easy access and multitasking on your commonly used apps, and raise to wake that works well with the face unlock. One of the most exciting features is the icon customization that allows you to set how you want your icons to look like in terms of shape and sizes. So, for me, this is a pretty great all-rounder smartphone for a mid-range device, but the one thing I nitpick about it is that it could have better audio quality. Although it comes with the Dolby Atmos audio, the sound quality still hasn't reached its full potential with its mono speaker. That's all for today. Remember to hit the like, smash the subscribe button, and click the bell icon to catch our latest gadget reviews. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.